So we've already established that if you want to attract people to join your list or get people to put their names and email address, then you have to give something of value. Or to be exact, can you solve an immediate problem that your prospects are facing right now? So it doesn't matter what niche you're in, whether you're in the internet business niche, in personal growth, health, dating, it's all the same. So here are a few school of thoughts when it comes to creating your free offer. Firstly, the medium of your offer is not surprisingly not that important. It can be anything from a PDF ebook to templates and swipe files to video, audio MP3, automated webinar, or even running a live seminar. And yes, it's possible to run a free live seminar and you can sell something at the back afterwards. The most important thing here is that the language is more important than the medium. Okay, and the goal here is that you need to solve an immediate urgent problem. Yes, I've said that twice already, and I'm going to hammer that point home because most people out there, especially beginning internet marketers, they're just randomly putting out offers out there and they wonder why people are not opting in, or even when people join their list, they're not really that targeted. So here's the thing, you're not really here to build a massive list. That should be more of an afterthought. The most important thing here right now is that you want to build a targeted list of people who are more geared towards becoming your customer or client. So you don't need to build a list of hundreds and thousands of subscribers. Even a list of people in the low thousands will suffice, and you can run a profitable 5-figure a month business very possibly. So that being said, the next point here is that I don't want you to get carried away giving away free stuff, and this is a very amateurish mistake. The only time you should be giving something away for free should be on the front end, and that means when people have not heard of you before or they're just about to opt into your list, that's about the only time you should be giving away something for free. And you do it with the intention of only proving your worth and to show that you are the go-to person in helping your prospect solve a problem. And if you think there's something wrong with that, then I want you to remember this, that you are in business. You're not in the business of doing charity. Okay? So you're in business, you're not doing charity for free. Leave that to the other people who do not know any better when it comes to list building. All right? So that being said, I also caution you to have this kitchen sink mentality where you try to give everything away. Now, there's this popular saying by some internet marketers where you should give away your best stuff for free, prove yourself and all that. Okay? Yes, you should prove yourself, prove your worth, but there is absolutely no need and there's no merits to giving away everything, because anything that's given away for free will not be appreciated. So you want to avoid that, okay? You want to cater to people who are serious action takers, who will be a potential customers, not to people who are there to just freeload from you, okay? Focus on solving the problem, and you can follow up with offering another form of help. It could be through coaching or your other paid products, all right? So this should be the basis of creating a free offer where you solve an immediate problem. And when you break beliefs or educate your potential customers, they're going to realize that if they're going to solve this problem, they need to make more informed decisions. And that means investing in other tools or investing in a follow-up program or taking the next step. And this is where you come in, okay? That's why you're making a free offer, to show them what they need to know and why you're the go-to person, okay? So that's really all there is to it, to a free offer. There's nothing else to it. So don't come up with like a 100-page ebook or 200-page ebook. It's not necessary. Sometimes you can just get away with it and explain it all in as little as 20 to 40 pages and get it over with. And this is why webinars are also very effective. And you could be explaining everything in just under an hour rather than going through like 4 to 5 hours of training. People rarely have that kind of time anyway. And when they have not paid anything, they're not committed. If you're going to be giving away a lot of your best stuff, you should charge a fee for that. Okay?